Okay, kani po diri is this is so after the engineering design plans, diba? We are going to prepare the detailed quantities or the detailed estimate. So I am presenting you a actually this is kung ano, according to the quantities or items as presented by the standards ni DPWH. So yun yung makita first in this presentation or in this actually this is a PDF, no, a copy of the quantities I prepared before. This is we have here the summary of the quantities. So summary of quantities, sa may nadiri. Di ba natin ilang works? And then katong lalang nga works involved in the project is naka-itemize na siya, di ba? If you remember our discussion, we defined the estimates. The detailed estimates is, or sa estimate, is naka-divided siya into sub-works. So there is, we have the Part A, facilities for the engineer, Part B, other general requirements, Part C, earthwork, Part D, reinforced concrete, Part E, finishing and other civil works, and then we have the Part F, electrical, and Part E, mechanical. By the way, this is not the quantity for the plans I presented before, but this is a quantity of a different plan. So katong kung quantity before, katong plan nga akong gi-present last time or earlier is, well, I think wala ko a complete set of quantities ito. And then for this one, wala sa complete set of plans. But I have the complete set of quantities. So the summary of quantities, again, we have the as plan and the as program. Si as plan, this is the quantities or estimates no para mahuman si project. But limited man ang budget, that's why we have the as program. So sa as program mo ni itong ginabutang sa program of works. So di na siya kompleto. So na mga items or na works nga walay appeal diri sa as program. So ang uban lang pipila lang. And then after the summary quantities, we have the detailed quantities. No, we call this the backup computation according to the DPWH standard. So you have the provision of field office for the engineer, 6.7 months. So rental basis, nakaspecify gina siya kasi pasabutan ni. Ang field office para ni engineer and his staff on site is naka-rental basis siya for 6.7 months. And then we have the quantity for the permits and clearances, naka-lump sum. So take note no, kasi quantity lain na siya. Pwede cubic meter, pwede square meter, pwede length, pwede lump sum, sa patoga ni, pwede units, di ba? Pwede po kilograms. And then what else? Dito sa excavation. So this is under the earthwork. So excavation pod. Now we have the detailed calculations, MAT 1, MAT 2 to 4, WF1, grab footing, C1, etc. This is for the embankment, by the way. And then we have the excavation here, embankment, and etc. So, muna siya si quantities. So, under the quantities, no, quantities lang yun na siya, cubic meter. We have this is the structural concrete. And next is we have the steel, no, reinforcing steel grade 40. Quantities lang yun siya, naka-kilograms, 121,797.966 kilograms. So hindi ba ang quantities mo lang gini siya naka-detail gini sa tanan, no? The main bars, the support bars, spacer bars, stirrups, etc. Counted tanan. Si formworks, di ba? Na third floor beam. Napakani niya sa reinforcing steel, pila ka pages ang reinforcing steel. Floor beam, roof deck beams, and then sa pa ni taas kayo naka-detail ni siya. And then roof beam, so na roof deck na po yung roof beam. And then, na stair beams, baka lang ni siya. These are just rebars. Wall footing and ramp footing. So, muna yung gingo sa inyo nga. Usa is pinakaputi, pinakataas is si rebars, reinforcing steel na quantities. Okay. Kung dali naman itong kuan. Concrete works, if RMC. Of course, mga dako nga project, RMC, gini mong gamiton. So, dali naman to. But si rebars, grabe ka detalye, no? Is mo ginang isa-isahon. And then we have the formworks. Same ra ni si formworks ug si concrete. Imo ra na i-connect, no? Pila ang square meter. So sa formworks pod is naka per area pod ni siya. So inyong manotice diri puro lang gini siya quantity, no, wala pa ni siya cost. And then we have the other works, no, the catch basin, sewer line works, na natanan diri. And others, electrical, mechanical, it is being presented here. So karon sir, asa man ang cost sir kung mga quantities lang ni diri, mga pieces lang, unit, cubic meter. Ang cost na dayon, dato na din na mo gawas sa ato ang program of works. So sa program of works under the DPWH standard, mo gini siya. First page is the project details. Kinsa ang implementing office, no? Unsa ang project category, unsa ang subprogram, unsa ang project title. Unsay para so in the government kana sila nani ID mga project no, unsay component ID, unsay location, pila budget. So mo na din nga natay ginatawag as program kay mo man na program sa program of works. So to complete the project in more than 30 million pag di siya pero ang budget nga nahatag is 30 million raman. So mo na ni siya ang budget mo na to mo din to nga sa summary of quantities balik na diri sa PICAS. Mo din to nga sa summary of quantities dili tanan items no na ay nakabutang nga quantity. For example, unglazed tiles o glazed tiles. Sa ato pa, for this project, wala sa giapil si tiles. Kay ma-short naman ta, no? Wala sa plaster, wala sa painting. Kaya may plaster, so wala pag painting dapat. Iso sa, mo na siyang ginataw na to, kinahan siya na ano, logical, chronological sequence. Nalisod sa nga, nagiapil mo si painting, masonry concrete, pero wala pa kay plaster. Isa lugar, lahi lugar ang plaster, di ba? Wala pa PVC door and frames, structural steel, nga lump sum, and others. So in the program of works, mo ni buhaton. No, there is the summary of cost per item. So mo na din siya, na ano din cost ani for part A, part B, part C, part D, part E, part F, and part G. Sama na sila, sir, mo to silang facilities for the engineer, other general requirements, earthwork, reinforced concrete, finishing and other civil works, electrical, mechanical, and this is the approved budget for the contract, 29,700,000. This is for the same project, and then this is just the summary of quantities. And yes, summary of quantities. Tapos, the budget cost. Taas-taas na siya, no? And then, mo na din siya. Ani din nga part, makita na din mo ang katong ginatawag na to na is subworks and cost per works. So, for facilities for the engineer, no? We have kani si item 8.8.1.18, no? Provision of field office for the engineer. For 6.7 months, ang magasto is 151,956 para lang anak. For the earthworks, no, removal of obstruction, excavation, embankment, and gravel fill, mo po niya ang specific nga magasto. Overall, that is almost 1,000,000 para lang sa excavation, gravel fill, embankment, o demolition. Sa reinforced concrete po, dako kay ni si structural work. Almost 20 million, di ba? For the reinforced concrete. Mo si kabilya, si concrete, formworks, no? Purma ba? Mga purma. And then, katong other works, mo pa nila ang specific na cost, no? Example, sama ni sila natin. Catch basin, that is 95,000. Soil poisoning, 76,000, etc. Sama na din siya ang sa under the program of works. Sa electrical, that is 2 million. Si mechanical, that is 20,000 or 21,000. Kaya ang under mechanical, ang nato lang na-appeal is just the fire extinguisher, di ba? And others. And then as well, this is, kani siya nga cost diri, dili lang na siya material cost. This is the combination of the material cost, the labor cost, the equipment, no? Apil lang ganitong howling, no? Katong transportation cost, and others involved. As well mga kuan, other nga cost. Numano na siya. That's why we have here the direct and indirect cost. Apil na po ng mga VAT and taxes there. And then part of the program of works, nani yung mga minimum equipment requirement. Kung sa may mga equipment, minimum equipment involved for the construction. So natin ginatawag na major equipment, napod tayo mga minor equipment. Sama ng mga major, sir. Major, backhoe, dump truck, transit mixer, truck-mounted crane. No? Minor, katong mga gamay lang. Welding machine, bar cutter, bar bender, concrete vibrator, and especially if the nakas government na na material testing equipment, diba? And then, kani po this is the detailed breakdown of the cost. So, di ba, diri akong gipakita is total naman ni diri nga cost of material, labor, and equipment. Diri po is naka-detail na siya. Unsa may nasa detail, sir? Naay cost, material cost, naay labor cost, equipment cost, and then natin tay mark up the VAT, and then the total cost na dayon. So, for example, diri no kay mo tan-awon na mga items of work, no material cost lang ang naa, walay labor o equipment. So, pasabutan na, walay labor o equipment involved ana. Napoy part nga naay material cost, labor and equipment. Napoy part na nga works nga equipment ra sa nang needed, di ba? And then diri na labor, na equipment, etc. Dili pod kompleto na material cost, labor cost, and equipment cost. And then this is the total cost including the taxes and others. So this is being presented no in the kato. So kani similar kaya pa ni siya sa medyo detail siya, but we have the unit cost here. Sama na unit cost. That is the cost per quantity. For example, sa concrete, the concrete works, di ba, naka-cubic meter man na siya. And then, di ba, we have the total cost for the concrete, 4.3 million, 4.379 million. So, kaning 4.379 million, i-divide na nimo sa cubic meter, sa to pa, kada ni cubic meter, ang gasto na to is 6,953.02. No, apil na dira ang material, equipment, labor, and hauling. Okay, unsa pa may naa diri sa PAO? We have also the calendar days. 201 calendar days, including unsa man, holidays, Sundays, and Sundays, holidays, pagka mga non-working days. Then, na then a start date. Of course, in a project, there is a beginning and there is an end. And then we have the detailed unit price analysis. Diri na dahil itong mga unit price. No, makita na dila pila ang unit price, and then i-connect din na siya sa katong dadto sa mga summary na to ng mga tables na to. I think that would be all for the quantities and the program of works. No, and as well known na po yung hauling cost. Of course, it is being calculated. We have the speed, the distance, di ba? Pila ka hour to travel that distance, no? And if ang speed ni kuan of that car or vehicle is ingani, di ba? And then if ang road condition is flat, but duha po ni na pave or unpaved, and then rolling, pave or unpaved, no? Na dalan or wala. And mountainous, na by dalan or wala. So na po na siya ay mga calculations din dira. Okay, I think that would be all for the detailed estimates, and then as well the program of works. And then next, we're going to continue our discussion on the